Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Goda.
I'm Neela. So, okay, you guys might have like read the title and stuff. So, this is a very unexpected video. We've never we never had the plan to like shoot this or something.
Exactly.
Not even like a reel. We just like genuinely wanted to learn it. But then again, we felt like there might be people out there who are like scared to try few things.
Right.
Like I mean, try few things at like you have this thing, right? Like you can't learn it after a
Certain age.
Yeah, so after this certain age. So that's why we just wanted to show someone, like if someone is watching it, if like ever someone watches it, and if they wanted to try something and they're scared, they can just go ahead and like do it, because it doesn't really matter at what age you try it, till that effort matters. Like the effort matters and stuff. So yeah, that was like the main reason why we shot this video.
So I learned how to cycle at the age of 28. So I just want to tell that
That's okay.
Yeah,
that's okay for doing that.
Exactly,
It's completely
normal. Coming to my journey, we actually do not own a cycle because I still don't know how to ride a cycle. So we do not think it's a better option to invest right away. So we took cycle from one of our brother who stays nearby.
So like he was kind enough to lend it to us for a month or two.
Yeah, exactly.
For practice, it's okay and all. Okay, cool. Why not?
Why not?
Like, it's an opportunity. Why not just learn it? And she always wanted to learn it, so it was a good opportunity. So let's see her journey.
Oh bro, I guess I'm going to fall.
No, it's okay. Try slowly. Brakes पे ना करो बैठो.
That was my first day. I was not able to balance at all. Yeah, it was day one, right? So obviously it was little difficult.
No miracle will happen.
Exactly. But apart from balancing, I was little embarrassed also. Why I was embarrassed? Because a lot of our building people were taking their evening walk. So yeah, I was little embarrassed, like kind of a feeling. After my first day, I did not, again practice cycling for almost 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
After 2 to 3 days, again I went for cycling. I guess this time we went to the basement because I was
very
embarrassed. So I guess after 3-4 days of practicing like that, then our dad and mom came down to support me. So they really boost me up, and they were telling me, it doesn't really matter, why do you have to do it in basement? It's okay, people learn certain things at certain age and all. They gave me a lot of
That was legit you have to fall, that's when you'll learn. The typical dad mentality. You have to fall, then only you'll learn.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, you're gonna give it another shot. Let's see. Go. Careful. Oh, okay, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Hey, people. So, obviously, like my sister is trying the whole, learning bicycle thing. So, I'm actually standing her so that I can cheer for her. I'm gonna show you where she's gonna come. So, there, from that turning, she'll come. So, let's just wait and cheer for her. Everyone needs motivation, right? Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah. You go, girl. Don't stop. Whoopity doo. Okay, there's actually another opening there. Should we go there? Should we cheer for her? I don't think so. I'll make it in time. Should we? Okay, let's go. So I don't think so we'll make it in time. Actually ran, but still I don't think so we'll make it in time. So maybe I'll just stand here. Yeah, maybe a few steps further. Maybe I'll just go to the, what should I do? Maybe I'll just go to the starting point, because there's no way I can go till the other turn thing where we can cheer for her. So let's just wait. Last May. Yeah, let's do that. Let's run back. There, I see her, the tiny human being. So proud of her. She completed the entire lap. I mean, there's still like, area and everything. Like, she completed one whole lap. Can we call it a lap? I guess you can. I'm so proud of her. How does it feel after 4 days? I guess you just took 4 days. It's like I'm taking an interview. So please tell me.
Honest, I really didn't think that I can do it like in 4 days, or I thought I'll take at least 1 month of time. But to be honest, I really wanted to learn.
She was just scared that she won't be able to do it just because she's growing old.
First day, after I was not able to not even balance or keep one pedal up. So I went home and watched YouTube videos on how to learn cycle.
It's okay. Everyone does it. I'm pretty sure most of the people do it.
Yeah, but that really didn't help, to be honest. Because
everyone takes their own time.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
And then how
and
do you
I
feel?
did not get hurt. Probably one scratch down.
Don't jinx yourself, bro. Don't jinx yourself.
Yeah, true.
No, but how do you feel your first lap round? What do you call this?
Yeah, I feel accomplished.
She's not able to talk after 3 laps.
I feel very good about myself that I did something, that I always wanted to do, right from my childhood.
What happened was she learned it with whole wheels and
stuff.
She didn't learn it without wheels.
Yeah.
So that's where she felt after she grew up by the time I was learning. So
right. So after that, Neela was very stubborn and she learned I'm gonna do it kind of thing. But I was not that stubborn. I was late.
But now she wanted to and you did it.
Boom.
Wait, I can see fist bump. Yay, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, so I guess we'll do 3-4 more update videos. We won't bore you with this interview.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll meet you next day or whatever, whenever we shoot. Bye.
See, I became so pro that I am riding bicycle.
Don't jinx yourself. I hope you don't fall. Okay, bye.
We'll meet you again.
Bye.
And please excuse me with this stupid look.
One day, me and we all were craving for ice cream, and Dad was like, "Why don't we go for ice cream?" So we were like, "Okay, cool, we'll go for ice cream." So we went for ice cream. When we came back, so Mom was like, "Why don't I try it?"
Yeah.
And that is her, after
30 to 35 years.
Then she was very hesitant, but then again Dad to the rescue. He was like, "I'm gonna support you.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be there."
Big time.
Yeah, so he was like, "No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna help you out." Then she was able to. We are actually in the basement thing. So now she's gonna try going up by cycling. That's gonna be amazing. Let's see if she can make it.
I know maybe most of the people might be thinking that kya hai usme, but for me
For a person who just learned it, so it's a big deal.
yeah, it's a very, very big deal.
I support you, Shishi.
Wish me luck.
Yeah,
I don't
I am.
know why I'm scared, but I'm scared, bro.
It's okay. Where boy? Are you running away? Momentum, huh? Wow. Yeah, we can't see you here.
And it's so freaking hot. What do you think? Can I make it? Or I'll be like you?
I guess you can make. She I don't know why she doesn't know the concept of brakes. I don't know why she struggles with it.
So we would be.
Yeah, but if you're going niche aisa, you have to safety, bro. I don't know why. From this angle, it looks like our basement is like, you know, some mall parking. I swear it's not mall parking. I don't know why it kind of looks like a mall parking. Oh, here she goes. It was fun? Yeah. Go do it again then. Huh? Go do it again. we are gonna sit here and watch some entertainment. It's dirty. No, it's not dirty. Is it dirty? Oh, it is dirty. Okay, let's not sit there. Where is she going? Oh, hi there. Here she comes, here she comes. La 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 la. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh! Not bad, not bad.
I mean, it was not
What? I couldn't hear you. I was like, what?
which I don't have.
Friend.
currently.
Yeah, I know.
But kids at home don't try this.
I'm pretty sure like no, I'm just wondering, you know, like just like I was just seeing you and all. I'm like so many people would be like, oh, they're reacting as if it's such a big deal. But
seriously, it takes a lot of strength.
yeah, obviously, but I'm just saying that if you guys think that it's nothing and stuff, it's big for us because we've never done something like this. So it's like, you know, something new and getting over our fears kind of thing. I would never do it if you ask me normally to do something like that.
And she has known cycling from quite a long time, so.
I guess yeah, sort of, maybe.
You wanna try?
Maybe yeah. Dude, what's wrong with you?
I guess I did achieve a part of my goal.
Yeah, I want to try maybe.
So yeah, now Neela is gonna try. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, almost there. So we got
come up with a
we just came up with a spontaneous challenge wherein
Actually, I
like
kind of want to do it from
top.
yeah. Should we?
Okay, divert. We are getting diverted, but
But I swear, if there were no vehicles, I would have tried it.
okay. So coming back to the
Sorry.
coming back to the challenge. So whoever covers the maximum distance of this slope will win. I guess Neela will win because she's pretty good at it. So that's the challenge. So whoever loses this challenge have to, you know,
What can we buy? Clothes or
food. Yeah.
Craving for some I'm craving for some shawarma.
Yes.
And
So
French fries?
okay. She's so excited because she knows she will win.
No, I don't know. You never know. No, but I'm serious. I don't know.
Right. So yeah. So whoever loses has to treat the other one with a shawarma. So first Neela will go so that I'll have a target. Okay.
Okay, I'll go.
Yeah. Let's get started. So she is going for the round. So yeah, we will actually take one round so that we'll gain some momentum and then go up all the way. So yeah, she's going first. So unfortunately, one of the security guard came and was telling that we shouldn't cycle in the basement and we can only cycle in ground floor. So our parking is in basement too. So we are gonna quickly sneak in and complete the challenge in basement 1. So Neela is over here. Probably we just can't see her, but there is no momentum and here she goes. Yeah, you have to stop there. I'm coming. Till I guess you have to take this tire, no?
But I went to there. She's also bad.
Yeah, there is no momentum here, bro. So this is the first point. So I will be going now. Without momentum, I'm pretty sure that I can't even go till there. But anyways, we'll go ahead and try.
She's starting. Sorry for the bad quality, but
I'm not able to.
set the thing up. Now, jaldi jaldi. Bro, don't tell me.
I know. It's still here.
Amazing. The Paikalam.
Yep, so.
I can see victory at the end of this tunnel.
I have no strength.
The lighting is so good here. I guess, I don't know. I mean, what do I guess? I can see you. Yeah, the lighting is good. But that was such a bad challenge. I mean, bad luck.
Yeah.
Next time we'll sneak in next time. Hello? Yeah, she's still disappointed.
I feel like I should have put a little more.
Effort and you would have won.
No, but yeah, but
You know, yeah.
I guess I had only that much energy.
Yeah.
Look at her overaction.
People are just like, oh, she's overacting, I know. It's just I'm happy that I'm getting shawarma.
And I hate that only she can eat the shawarma.
I
You
don't wanna
pay my bills, real. Okay,
I actually don't want to go up.
but you have to, bro. Where is my phone?
I don't have it. Oh, it's there.
So we will go up and she will get a shawarma. It's actually 12:15. I have to see whether
It will always be open. I know it. I can
Yeah,
feel
but we'll
it.
still go
My
up and
belly can
check.
feel it.
if it's not open today, probably then tomorrow. And I hate the fact that she's having shawarma. Okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, let's go up now.
Let's go. Yeah.
So I bought myself French fries because I just couldn't resist her eating shawarma and
She's not eating anything.
yeah,
We've got. By the way, this is like, I guess it's a local brand, no?
yeah. I don't know actually.
Yeah, true that. So it's a really good shawarma. Recently, we've been enjoying it so much.
Right.
It's really good.
Yeah. So
Oh,
this is French
yum.
fries.
I'm gonna have some too.
No,
Thank you. I will.
and garlic mayo. Yeah. So we like mayo. For people who don't like mayo, I'm really sorry, but yeah, I like French fries with mayo.
I'm
Excuse
gonna
me? No, not for you. No. Okay. Anyways, you can have your shawarma. I'll have my French fries.
Oh, my hand hurts.
Yeah, very French fries.
It's not. Peri peri is not spicy. But I don't know why I just choked.
Yeah, it's not spicy.
So we actually like peri peri with some garlic mayo. Oh, that's a lot of mayo, but it's nice. Garlic mayo and peri peri fries is the way to go. It's so freaking good.
Enough with my French fries, please.
I'm gonna have a shawarma.
Yeah, she's gonna have shawarma and I'm gonna have French fries. Oh.
So that's how.
Yeah. So you're gonna.
So that's it with this video, guys. I hope
You guys
liked it, and you enjoyed watching it.
This was just like,
Yeah.
I don't not the usual stuff that we usually do, like, vlogs or like cooking or
Right.
something like that. It's just, these are a few moments like we want to
Yeah,
show.
we want to share.
Yeah.
We are still trying to learn few more things.
So maybe
Hopefully, if we
shoot
get a
them.
chance, we'll shoot them and we'll share it with you guys. I hope this video is little inspiring to someone out there. Just a little.
0.001%.
Yeah.
So yeah. So if
if
you guys liked it,
Please do subscribe,
like,
comment,
and share.
until then, bye.